Hello friends, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So today we are here with these beautiful decoupage jars. So you will be learning these jars in our tutorial. So before going further to our tutorial, make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, then please go and subscribe it first so you will not miss any update from our channel. So now let's move further to our tutorial. Hope you will be liking it. For making today's project, we require all these things: one decoupage tissue paper, decor varnish, Mod Podge glue, yellow and black acrylic color, brush, one small piece of sponge, empty bowl, and one glass jar, waste glass jar. Here I am using Desi Chinese Szechuan sauce glass jar. You can use any jar or any glass bottle which is available at your home. So let's get started. So we have to take this glass jar and this empty bowl and yellow acrylic color. So I'm taking little color in this empty bowl, and now I'm taking this sponge and this color on this jar by dabbing this sponge on this glass jar. We are going to start from the bottom part of this jar. So we have to cover full bottle with this color. So as I have colored this jar, so now let it dry for some time so that we will be able to color on the upper side of this jar. As it is dried from the lower part, so we are going to color the upper part of this. You can use any color which you want as per your tissue paper. As coloring has done, but as you can see, it is not looking that much finished, so I'm going to do one more coat of this color. You should also do one more coat for getting much finishing. We have to follow the same procedure which we have followed before, and then it will look nice like that. As you can see, it is looking nice rather than this. So we will do on whole bottle. As it is totally dried now, so now we are going to use our tissue paper. So first we have to cut this motif which we are going to use on our jar. For cutting this, we are not using any scissor. We will take our wet brush and then we will cut it like that. It is very delicate, so we have to do it very carefully. Like that. Now we have to remove the layers of this and we have to use only upper layer. As it is 2 layered, so we are going to use this upper layer only. So now we have to take our Mod Podge glue. Now we are going to apply it here where we are going to use our tissue paper. So as we have to spread it using our brush. Like that. Now we are putting our tissue paper like that. Now we have to press it from the mid very carefully so that we would be able to remove all the wrinkles easily. Like that. Now we have to apply one more layer of our Decopage glue on all over of the bottle. So now let it dry for some time and then we will use our black acrylic color on it. So now as it is totally dried, so now we are going to use our acrylic color, black acrylic color on it. So on the remaining part, like here we have used our tissue paper and here we have not used, so we are going to use black color in background and we are going to sprinkle that color using our brush. So we are covering this part with the waste paper. Now I am using my brush and taking little black color on it, like that. Like that. So as we have done little sprinkling, but for further sprinkling here I am using this waste toothbrush. It will be more easier. So here I am using this newspaper so that color will not sprinkle on my craft mat. So for sprinkling color, I will apply little black color on this using my brush, like this, and then I will use my thumb for sprinkling color, like that. This sprinkling will be much beautiful than before. As you can see, isn't it looking pretty? So now as it is done, we have done the sprinkling on this jar. So let it dry for some time. I have completed one more like that by following same procedure. So let it dry for some time. So now after getting dry, we are going to apply varnish on it. We have to apply varnish on both and then let it dry. As these both are now totally dried, so now I'm going to decorate these using this paper thread and my glue gun. You have to do it very carefully. We have to wrap it. As I have wrapped it properly, now we have to secure the end. Like that. Now we have to cut it using our scissors. Like that. Now here I'm using paper flowers. So isn't it looking pretty? We have to follow the same procedure with this one too. So we have completed our project for today. You can use these jars as pen stand. You can use these jars for decoration of your home. You can use these jars as flower vase. There is many ways to decorate your home with these jars. Hope you people liked it. So we will meet soon. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please do subscribe for getting all the updates. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.